2 years ago, a date got forever engraved in history. While on the August 15th, 2023, India was as usual celebrating its Independence Day, I marked my own little milestone. The beginning of a bond, a journey, and a love story with my new bike, the Honda CB350RS. Two years down the line, 25,000 plus kilometers later, that bike, which is also called Sunshine, has given me more than just rides. It's given me the freedom, the memories, and an unforgettable soundtrack with that raspy, head-turning exhaust note. Which I'm sure you all enjoy as well while watching my vlogs. From smooth highway rides to bone-rattling no roads, from city streets to the remote Himalayan trails of Spiti, Sunshine has never let me down. Every time I ride the CB350RS, I fall in love all over again. Now, as I have stepped on to a new chapter with my bigger and more purposeful adventure touring motorcycle, which is the Honda NX500, aka Blessings, which has now become my primary touring machine, people often advise me that why don't you sell the CB350RS? And honestly, I have thought about it actually, because financially maintaining the three vehicles, which are my two bikes and my car, the Tiago, aka Bluebird, it isn't easy, but emotionally letting go of Sunshine feels like parting with a piece of my soul. So here I am, 2 years in, still riding, still smiling, still wondering how a machine can mean so much. To those who get it, you know what I'm talking about, right? And to those who don't, just go ahead, walk up to any big wing showroom, take a test ride of the CB350RS once, and maybe, just maybe, you will understand what and why. So hey Sunshine, wish you all a happy 2 years of ownership with me. Here's to many more miles and memories.